What is it, guys? It's John Game. We back and we at Walmart. I mean Walmart.
Sandwiches is good instead of
got me a gun.
lunch of the box time, okay?
Okay, Mom. On the clothes aisle. Okay. Belts. I don't know them. Alright, the clothes. Get clothes. I'm at Walmart. Walmart.
So you don't want Gogurt, right?
I don't want what?
Gogurt?
Yeah, I don't want Gogurt. Alright, no. Yeah. My shout outs are shout out to Fabian21, I guess. Fabian21. Shout out to Fabian21. Favorite part of the house. Big bluebell chocolate. Bluebell chocolate. Wow. Hold on, what is coconut fudge? That sounds so gross. Reese's, yay! Make sure you guys smash that like. Okay. Hold on. I gotta be right back. And I'm back. Okay. It's hard line. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Look at that line. Her hairline, no. That hairline, though. Lunch means sweaters. Give me some chocolate, cereal. Yeah, make sure you guys smash this like in this video, because I am at Walmart. And I'm gonna have to stop this video right now. Bye, guys. Sight! Alright, so meat part. Meat parts. Oh, look at this. Sausages. Wait up. Yeah, best ever. Yeah. I got me a Nerf gun. Let me move my school stuff. Nerf gun. I will be posting the unboxing from that Nerf gun. I did buy some extra bullets to the gun, and I will post that on the YouTube. Let me show you the extra bullets. And what are the extra bullets? Oh yeah, here's the kind of gun, and here's the extra bullets to it. I will stop the video right here, and I will post this video on YouTube. So I want you guys again to smash this like in this video. I will show you the unboxing for the Nerf gun. Oh, the Big Daddy. So see you guys on my Young Games channel. I will unbox this gun. Bye!